guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 easy packed lunch ideas. I'm just going to start off with my famous BLT, but actually I call it ALT. Instead of bacon, I use avocado. So I just cut up some tomato and I'm gonna slice up some avocado as well to put onto this sandwich. So you see everything looks nice and green and beautiful. Okay, perfect, the toast is done. So I'm just going to put some mayo on my bread. I'm just using regular mayo, but you can use vegan mayo if you'd like to make this vegan. And I'm just using whole wheat bread as well, but you can use Ezekiel bread or gluten-free bread, whatever you prefer. So I'm just layering the tomato on the sandwich and I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add the avocado slices and some romaine lettuce, but you can again use any type of green, spinach, kale, whatever you'd prefer. So there's my sandwich. It looks beautiful. I can pack it very easily in a takeout box and I just cut it in half to eat easily while I'm at lunch. And yeah, super easy, super quick. I also added some dates and walnuts into a container just for something sweet after I finish my sandwich. And I'm going to pack this into my lunchbox. And probably took me about 5 minutes to make this in the morning, so it's super easy. The second recipe I'm going to be showing you guys is a tuna salad. This is also super quick and easy. I just prepared this in the morning as well. I'm chopping up some romaine lettuce, but again, you can use any green you like, spinach, kale, arugula. I'm also gonna chop up some tomato. Unfortunately, I only had tomato in the fridge today. Normally I would add like avocado and cucumber as well, but I just didn't have any. So this salad looks a little boring, but normally it's much better. Feel free to add more ingredients. So I'm just adding the tomato into my salad. Then I'm going to add the salt and pepper to the top, and then just go ahead and add the can of tuna. For my dressing, I'm going to cut 1/4 of a lemon, and I'm just going to put a little bit of tahini into a container, and that's going to be my dressing, maybe with some salt and pepper on there as well. So super easy and quick. This took me again about 5 minutes to prepare. Today I'm having a treat and I'm going to be having a Rice Krispie Square as my sweet snack for after my salad. So the third recipe, I'm just putting some more toast again in the toaster, and I just made an omelet here. You can put whatever you want in your omelet. Mine had onions, jalapenos, and salt, pepper, and turmeric, and I'm just cooking it in the pan. I leave the lid on so that it cooks fully, and then I basically use this technique where I just flip the omelet into the lid and flip it over, and it honestly makes your omelet turn out perfect. Okay, perfect. My toast is ready as well. I'm going to put some slices of avocado on my whole wheat toast, and then I'm going to place my omelet on top of the avocado. And that looks pretty lovely as well. You can add some hot sauce or anything else if you want to put something else on this sandwich, but honestly, it tastes good just like this. I'm putting my sandwich in my takeout box, and again, for my sweet snack today, I'm just having some more dates and walnuts. This is honestly one of my favorites, and it's really good for satisfying your sugar cravings. So that's it, guys. I just make these few recipes in the morning, and it's super easy to take to work with you or to school. Thank you so much for watching my video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's so greatly appreciated.